Hello, so I am working on the BMW E90 after doing the timing chain. I do have one more issue. So what's happening is, as I've started the car, the RPMs are below 1, like it's almost in the middle between 0 and 1, which should be, but really it should be above 1, if not on 1. So I'm going to do like a smoke test. There's so many ways that you can find a vacuum leak or some sort of leak. However, I'm feeling optimistic that the smoke detector test will be the most beneficial, especially if it's a small leak, which I do hope it is. So I have removed my airbox. I put a glove on my airbox here to keep all the air inside. And if you see the vacuum line that I've unplugged, so I've unplugged it from here. It's a PCV valve pipe, PCV pipe. So I've just attached a pipe to it, which I'll blow into, and I'll blow in this side with the smoke. And we're just going to look for any smoke coming out of the engine where there could be potentially a leak. So I've lit a cigarette and now I'm blowing through the pipe with all the smoke in my mouth. And what I do notice straight away, just here, is smoke coming straight out. Let me show you. So the smoke is coming from there. Now we've established where the smoke comes from. They're actually coming from the camshaft position sensors. So what I'm doing is I'm going to remove them and replace both of them, not just the one. I figured it's easier just to do both whilst I'm there. I didn't really want to bore you with the whole dismantling of it and putting it all back together, so I made this super fast. So again, quite oily, which commonly means that the seal's broken. And see here actually, worryingly I've got a bit of metal. These are magnetic. I've got some metal shards there. So here we go. I'm blowing into that as hard as I can, and I don't hear any air. I meant I can't even get any more air through. So I'm pretty satisfied that the demo ribbons have done the job. However, I'll put everything back together. I'll give it a start up and see how the RPMs are looking now. Now it's sitting up. And it's not shaking anymore. So what happened last time was I would give it a rev and it would go all the way down to like almost 0. But I think that's definitely done it. If you haven't already done so, please drop me a like and a subscribe. I really appreciate all the support so far and I hope you've enjoyed watching. Thank you very much.